Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Maxis 808 and today I will show you in this car how you can do steering angle sensor calibration. You can see steering angle sensor fault, car traction light on when I start car, and that's the problem. And today I will show you how you can do steering angle sensor calibration with this computer scanner. Okay, see, go ABS, like, okay, and then okay, go special function check sequence, set up neutral steering angle sensor. This is Subaru. Okay, stop vehicle and start straight ahead, steering ahead, straight position, and then okay, 0 point will be started, need some time, 0 point will be completed. Okay, you can see here traction light gone. See here, perfect. Okay, so you can do steering angle sensor calibration also MX808. Okay, thank you.